Luckily, my radio's frozen to my wrist.
That's not what the horse said.
Haven't I been here before?
Cool.
No.
Wow, is that...
Small joke, boss.
Good one, Pinkie Pie. You're always pulling a fast one on me.
No.
Wow, is that weird or what?
Don't be silly. Dragons are fireproof.
Okay.
Check.
Pretty much the same thing. We're true of scrolls.
Was that weird or what?
I can think of one thing.
Rizzo, you're not gonna believe this! Coming closer, that's an order! Try a drink of water!
You gotta hang upside down, spin around while you touch your tongue.
Sorry, drink of water!
I've got this.
Just some deep cleansing breaths.
Yeah, sorry, I lost my glasses.
Hey, I found out I got worms. This is just where I am right now.
Boy, it's a good thing you didn't tell everybody where Lady Holiday lives. Otherwise, they'd all be camped on her doorstep.
That is just for you and me to know, brother. We are going to have ourselves a time tonight. Waka waka!
Yeah, well, my luggage was sucked out the door.
No way! He needs us for number.
It's no use. We've been trying for hours.
There's nothing left to do. We have to go on without him.
Kermit, please! We come back to us!
It's just... We've had some job offers, right?
Yeah, right. Job offer.
Yeah. Job offers where they are. Yeah.
What job did I get?
I'll trade with anyone that has a jacuzzi.
Yeah, well, my luggage was sucked out the door.